Hi, in this video we are going to be discussing natural logarithms. So there is another type of logarithm to a special base called e. Now e is an irrational number with a value, the value of e is somewhere around 2.718. So the number e is very important in mathematics as it has very special properties. Logarithms to the base e are called the natural logarithms. So, log to the base e of x can be expressed as ln x. Now, ln x means the natural log with a base as e. So, instead of writing log to the base e every time, we can just write ln. Now, ln is understood as log to the base e. So, log to the base e of x can be expressed as ln x. Now, if y is equals to e to the power of x, e being an irrational number, so if y is equals to e to the power of x, that is the exponential function, then x, if we want to find x, we can take ln on both the sides, and x, this power x can be brought down over here, so x ln e is going to be equal to ln y. Ln e is 1, so x is equals to ln y. So that's the inverse function. Now the inverse is going to be x can be replaced with f inverse and y can be replaced with x. So f inverse of x is going to be ln x. Now y equals to e to the power of x and y equals to ln x are basically inverse function of each other. So their graph will be reflection in the line y equals to x. The graph of e to the power of x and the graph of ln x are going to be reflection of each other in the line y equals to x as seen on the graph. Now we are going to be solving exponential and ln form equations. So the first part says ln to the base e of x is equals to 3. Now usually in the question is written as ln of base ln x equals to 3. It is understood that the base is going to be e. Since we have used ln, so ln is taken as a base e. Now to solve this, we are going to convert this into an exponential form. So the x value is going to be equal to the base, which is e to the power of 3. So the exact answer for x is e to the power of 3 or eq. That is the exact answer. Part B says e to the power of 2x plus 1 equals to 5. Now it's an exponential equation. So e to the power of 2x plus 1 equals to 5. We are going to introduce ln on both the sides. Ln is taken as base e. The power 2x plus 1 can be expressed as 2x plus 1 times ln e equals to ln 5. Now ln to the base e of e is always 1, so that's 1. So 2x plus 1 is equal to ln 5. So x is going to be equal to ln 5 minus 1 divided by 2. Again, that's the exact answer. And if the question says express this answer to correct to 3 significant figures, then x is going to be equal to 0.305. But this answer is the exact form. Okay, now the third part says solve ln x cube plus ln x equals to 5. Okay, so using the power rule, we can bring down this 3. It's going to be 3 times ln x plus ln x equals to 5. That is 4 times ln x equals to 5, which means ln x is equals to 5 upon 4. Now ln is always to the base e, therefore x must be equal to e raised to the power of 5 upon 4. Part D says e to the power of 3x plus 4 is equals to 2 times e to the power of x minus 1. Now a common mistake that many students do is they take this 2 to the power over here. We cannot do this as it's not a log equation. So what do we do then? We are going to be solving exponential equation using the rules of indices. So e to the power of 3x plus 4 divided by e to the power of x minus 1. So we are going to express this as e to the power of 3x plus 4 divided by e to the power of x minus 1 equals to 2. So e to the power of 3x plus 4 minus x plus 1 equals to 2. E to the power of 2x plus 5 equals to 2. Now taking natural log on both the side and using the power rule, we are going to get 2x plus 5 times ln e equals to ln 2. Ln e is 1, so 2x plus 5 is equals to ln 2. The x value is going to be ln 2 minus 5 upon 2. That's the exact answer. Now let's consider this example. Ln x plus 5 minus ln x equals to 3. Okay, so ln x plus 5 minus ln x, we are going to use the division rule. We have ln, that is to the base e of this number, minus ln of this number. So we are going to express this as a single log by the division rule. Ln x plus 5 divided by ln x divided by x equals to 3. Then to solve for the value of x, we are going to convert this into the exponential form. E to the power of 3 must be equal to x plus 5 upon x. So x plus 5 must be equal to x e cube, bringing x terms on one side. So x e cube minus x equals to 5. Taking x common, we are going to get e cube minus 1 equals to 5. Therefore x value is 5 upon e cube minus 1. That is our exact answer. Now example number 5, we see that e to the power of 2x is present and e to the power of x. Again, the powers are in the ratio of 2 to 1, so we can convert this into a disguised quadratic. So I can express e to the power of 2x as e to the power of x square minus 9 times e to the power of x plus 20 equals to 0. So let y be e to the power of x. So our equation reduces down to y square minus 9y plus 20 equals to 0. Solving this quadratic equation will give us two values of y. The two values of y are going to be 5 and 4. So this means that e to the power of x is equals to 5 and e to the power of x equals to 4. We are going to solve these equation by applying logs on both sides. So x ln e equals to ln 5. So x value is ln 5, and taking ln on both the sides, x value is going to be ln 4. So these are the two solutions for this equation. Thank you for watching this video.